Hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris. Chance is in school right now, but I'm going to go pick him up later. And we are refixing Edna's window. The one that we fixed 2 weeks ago. Apparently, got to go a little bit further in depth with it this time. Because despite fixing it, we didn't actually fix what was wrong with it apparently. So now it's off again. So you can see right here, it is not in the track at all, and over there, it's just sitting over there. So, let's figure out what's wrong with it. All right, so if you remember, wrong way. If you remember from the last video, when we took this off, the window had dropped out of the little channel that it sits in, and we had to get it back out. We had to pull the pins back out, stuff like that. But it's out of the side pieces. I'm a little bit suspicious that maybe our divider here is out of place because this is really tight to open and close. So it may not be pushing the window far enough that way. So see, our window didn't come down at all, and our track is still right here. I'm gonna pull these little pins out again. Got the first one off, but apparently we need more tools for the second one. I guess that's about as low as it goes. Oh, the window is stuck. It's down, but it's not. It's only in this side. It's not in this side. That's not good. Now this thing is adjustable. This division bar, because you can loosen these two nuts for it right here, and it'll actually slide in either direction because the holes are ovaled. So we may need to go over this way with it. I don't know why it's out though. It just seems odd. Grab the 3/8 wrench. It is not 3/8. So let's go get 7/16. Yep, 7/16. Now we don't have to take these off. We just got to loosen them a little bit, and then the divider should move hopefully enough for us to finagle the window back in. I also went ahead and opened the vent window here just to kind of take the tension off of this. It's like I got to glue this back on. All right, I got it in the track, or whatever you want to call it. So let's tighten these nuts back up. I guess it's possible maybe this thing slid this way over time, caused it to slide out, because it seems to move in there decently now. So I guess we can put this channel back in. Put our little pins back on. Seems pretty good, and it's still in this piece here. I wonder why it makes that sound. It's got something to do with this thing. Yeah, this thing is coming off and hanging off on the bottom. I can't see it well enough to go any higher than like just right up here. I can see that off. If our divider window is still tight. Not at the bottom, but it is at the top. All right, so we're going to pull this back. If you look here, the window doesn't quite touch the bottom, which is fine, but at the top it's really tight. So there's another adjustment screw right up in there. I don't know if the sun's in the way. Yeah, that right there. So we can loosen that up and pull this way a little bit. That should keep the window a little more snug as it goes up, and then it should loosen that window up a little more, so we can tighten that a little better. So that'll definitely be an improvement. So let me get a screwdriver. I don't have one. All right, so we're going to loosen this up just a little bit. Pull that back. Let's see here. sure it's pulled out far enough. Tighten this back up. If you look right here, you can see that the channel for the rubber for the vent window here is too low, but it is screwed in all the way. So we're gonna have to persuade that a little bit with a big hammer. This is probably not the preferred method. Tuck all that back up in there. See if it closes any better. Helps if the lock's off. Yeah, goes in there just fine. Now we just got to get a little bit of glue that back in. Oh yeah, opens nice and easily now. All right, if you look there, it's pretty even. It's a little far out at the bottom. It's not too bad. So that's all the way tightened. I think this other piece needs a little bit of persuading too, because it's hanging down just a little bit. Like it's curving in kind of an odd way. So the camera died, well, overheated again, when I was tapping this piece in right here, but that fits a little nicer now. This could go in a little further, but it wasn't moving, and I didn't really want to push it. But everything's working fine now. And it's nicely in both channels, all the way up and down. So I don't see that coming out again. I think we've got it pretty well nicked. I wish I could have made this video a little more detailed as far as seeing what I was actually messing with, but there's so little that you can actually see and work on at the same time inside the door. I mean, as you can see, it's got this, tiny little inspection plate to, hide all the mechanism and everything. So, but luckily it's fixed. If you're having any problems with your windows, all you can really do is just kind of look. There's an adjustment here. There's a bolt here that loosens that. All of your other insides can be accessed through this panel here. Some of these bolts, or some of these screws in the door here, are for mounting the actual door latch, and some of them are for the window riser. So you just got to kind of look at it, be patient with it, take your time. It's really just small adjustments to making sure your window works right. I would have liked to have gotten rid of that noise, but I can't quite get in there where this thing seems to be coming off a little bit, and it's resting up against the big gear part of the window regulator. So it didn't really seem like there's much I can do about that, because it didn't want to snap back on like I was hoping. So it just kind of rubs up against it, and that's what that noise is. But anyway, hopefully this helped. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Put that screw in the rest of the way so don't forget. I'm about to go pick up Chance. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.